Here's my message for today. The divine is you. The divine is you, yet we know it not. We are searching for God everywhere. But we are that. The Vedas declare, the holy book of the Hindus, Tattvamasi, that thou art. That, not he or she, that thou art. Beyond gender, beyond description. So the divine is manifesting as you, yet you know it not. The divine is looking through your eyes. The divine is speaking with your voice. The divine is walking in your feet. The divine is hearing with your ear. But yet you think that you are human. Yet you think you are human. You're not a crawling creature. You're not a walking creature. You're not this physical body. You're not this animal species. As nice as it may be, you are God. You are divine. You are the center of life. You are the center of the universe, mind you. Yet you know it not. Yet you know it not. And you know the saying in the Greek temple, know thyself. Man, know thyself, which means humankind, know thyself. The prayer of the Upanishad is, Asatoma Sadgamaya. Lead me from the unreal, the Maya, the illusion, to the real. Often we say the prayer like a parrot, parroting it. No, it's a request, it's a prayer to the universe to grant me the vision to see the reality. Grant me the grace to experience the reality, not just to see, but to experience. Wouldn't it be nice if you have more consciousness than just human? Wouldn't it be nice whilst living in the human experience that you grow in consciousness, that your consciousness expands, that you can experience more and more of your divine nature? What did the Master Jesus say? Be perfect, even as your Father in heaven is perfect. Be ye perfect, even as your Father in heaven is perfect. The Hindus say, Aham Brahmasmi. That the I that is manifesting in you, the I, the ego, is nothing but a manifestation of the divine. When will you wake up? The divine in all of its glory is right inside you in this moment. Often the question is asked, why this Maya? Why this illusion? Well, the divine is in no illusion. The false identification makes us think that we are separate, when in truth we are not. In your dreams, does it have any of the waking reality? If you dream that you are eating all this pleasurable food, is it that you are? What is a dream substance? Experiences of illusion. Of course, when you become a wizard of the energy, you can create illusions, transform them into physical reality, make them manifest, and it's all a play. Like building castles at the seashore. They're going to wash away. The reality is none of this that you see and hear and smell and taste and touch. That's not the reality. The reality lies within. Unless you can wake up from the illusion, unless you can expand the consciousness to see more, unless you can experience your divine reality and know that inside is bliss at the same time you're dreaming pain in the human body, coexistent within you is a field of bliss, ananda. And whilst you're dreaming time, beginning and ends, another level of consciousness has timelessness. It's right now. All you need to do is wake up. The reality is not this dream, not this waking dream, nor your sleeping dream. To experience in every moment eternal blissful beings such as Anand, that's the reality. Eternal existence, conscious being, and blissfulness, that's the reality. It's existing now, in this moment. In this moment. Whereas all of us are having different dreams in this moment. Ego dreams, ego reality. All of it is Maya, illusion. The reality lies behind, in eternal, changeless consciousness. When will you uncover that? You don't have to achieve it. It's already there. You need only to uncover it. That's why in the meditation I say, let's go into the stillness of being. Your thoughts are not your reality. Your emotional constructs are not your reality. Your dreams are not your reality. That which lies beyond. And when you experience that reality, you can play with the energy, you can play with the dreams, you can sport in them freely without creating the karmas. That is where the alchemist operates. That's where the wizard of energy operates. Until you can experience that state of freedom, then you are held in the illusion of being. In the seesaw of the ego. Beyond the ego is the reality. Not in the ego existence that we all play in, unconsciously. Eating the bittersweet fruits, as the Upanishad says, the bird that is flying around the tree, tasting the bitter and sweet fruits of life. And on top is the golden bird. Unmoving, blissful, peaceful. We have to uncover the golden nature within our being. So the message today is know that all of this is an illusion. As real as it may appear, it's another dream, a longer dream, the waking state, Jagrat. The reality is beyond. The joy for me is that it exists in the now. Satchitananda. All we need to do is to know it. We are reminded of the Master Jesus saying, if you have as little faith as a mustard seed, you will tell the mountain to move and it will move. Of course, the question he was asked is, Master, why can't we heal as you do? And that was his response. When someone said to him, Master, you healed me, he said, no, your faith did it. How little we think of ourselves and how great we truly are. Don't believe in your ego nature. Have faith in your divine nature. And stop not until that nature is realized. It's right within you. The most beautiful thing is your divine nature is seeking to express itself in and through you. That's what we call grace. It is continuously seeking out to express itself in and through you. It is only you that are procrastinating, staying in the human consciousness. It's only you. It's not the divine. Remember that. I don't say, may God be with you. I say, may you be with God. God is always with you. May you be with God, everyone. Have a blessed Thursday. Namaskar.